Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Harmon, and today is Monday, April 20th. We are going to review some math from last week, and we'll start with a math talk. Then we'll move into comparing dimes, math story, and then we'll review today's assignment. So let's get started. Math talk number 4. What is the same and what is different? Now look at these two math equations and think about what you notice is the same about them. Did you get to think about it? How about let's start with the one on the left. What do you notice is the same? Okay, yes. They both have three numbers, and they have the same numbers on each side of their equation of the equal sign. And they're both adding. How about this one? What is the same on this side? Hmm, well, they both have a 7, and while there's an 8 on this side, you have 5 plus 3. And what does that equal? That also equals 8. So you know that both sides are true. Now, what about what is different? Hmm, what do you think? Well, on this side, there's only 2 numbers, whereas this side has 3. And on this side, these both have the same amount compared to this side. Anything else? Share it with someone near you. All right, let's keep going. So, comparing dimes. This is our math story today. We're going to read it 3 times and focus on different questions each time we read it. Sabrina has 11 dimes. Sabrina has 6 more dimes than Gina. What is this story about? I'll give you a moment to think about it. What is it about? This story is about dimes. That's right. Let's keep going. Sabrina has 11 dimes. Sabrina has 6 more dimes than Gina. Now, what are the quantities in units? Remember, quantities refer to numbers, and units refer to what it is that the number is talking about. So, are you ready? What's one of the quantities? 11. That's right. We know Sabrina has 11. What? What are her units? Dimes. That's right. We also know that Sabrina has 6 more than Gina. And our last read. Sabrina has 11 dimes. Sabrina has 6 more dimes than Gina. What questions could you ask? I could ask, what do you think? We know a lot. We know a lot about this math story so far. We know what the story is about. We know some of the quantities, and we definitely know the units. I could ask, oh, what about Gina? What could we ask about her? That's right. How many dimes does Gina have? We certainly know how many Sabrina has, but we don't know anything about how many Gina has yet. And the last part, show your thinking with a math drawing. And this is how we show our work when we use a math drawing. So what would you use to plan out your math drawing? Would you use number sentences, pictures, circles, 10 frames? Think about what you would use. Maybe actual dimes? All right, let's take a look at an example. So in this one, they used double 10 frames. And at the top, since we know how many Sabrina has, we filled that in. We're still not sure how many Gina has, so that's left blank. Sabrina has how many again? 11, that's right. And we also know Sabrina has 6 more than Gina. So we put a box around 6 of them. Now we could take a look at this picture and think, oh, there's a certain amount left. I bet that's how many Gina has. Or we could also come up with a number sentence to solve the unknown. So we have 6 plus blank equals 11, or 11 minus 6 equals blank. Which one would you choose? Either way, they'll both give us the answer for how many Gina has. Did you solve it? Great job. Yes, the answer is 5. Gina has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. And we can check that because we know 6 plus 5 equals 11. If Gina has 5 and Sabrina has 6 more, you can add those two quantities together and get 11. Or we can take 11, how many Sabrina has total, and subtract it from how many more she has than Gina. 11 minus 6 equals 5. If you have any more questions, please let your teacher know. So, today's assignment, you're going to have 6 comparison problems. It's very important that you show your work. And you can do that by using number sentences, pictures, drawings, all to show your thinking. Make sure you choose one of the word problems to record your explanation of how you solved it. Everyone, I hope you have a happy Monday.